Alright guys, so I'm in my car. As you can see, can't even see out, it's all snowy. It's a blizzard today. Gonna be driving around, seeing how this FJ does. I'm sure it'll do great. And get some footage, see if we see anything interesting, show you guys the storm. So let's go ahead and take a look. You can see here kind of how windy it is. All this snow blowing everywhere. So it makes all the snow repile up. Over there you see that big snow mound. It's where they were, you know, they plowed some and there's a big mound already. And this is only halfway through the storm, guys. We're gonna still get a lot more, they say. And it keeps blowing around and recovering stuff. So let's get out there and drive around and see what we see. Alright, this is super thick, deep snow here. I was just stopped. FJ's got no problem going through this, but these roads are really bad still. It might be hard to see out my front windshield because it's a little just wet. But the plows have gone earlier, but it's just snowing everywhere. Blizzard, big blizzard still supposed to come and add a lot more snow. Over here, it looks like we got a car that's stuck kinda just there. I'm gonna get out and help. Alright guys, I've helped about 4 people now. I've been using my shovel, down there. And I'm in my FJ, I haven't had to pull anyone out with like a pull rope or anything. I've just been shoveling and pushing people out. A few people have stopped. Lots of people are getting stuck, so I'm gonna keep driving around, try to get clips. I haven't gotten everything, but I've gotten a few little clips for you guys. I'm out of breath now because I just helped clean a car out of the snow, so let's keep going. Alright guys, I stopped back home and I'm in my FJ now. I'm gonna go jump in my Jeep Cherokee now because it has a winch. And the snow keeps coming down. I've helped shovel and push like 4 to 5 people out now. But the snow keeps coming. I think I might need a winch to help some people for the next few hours. So I'm gonna jump in my Cherokee and we'll see if we winch anyone out. Alright, we're really stuck in here. As you can see. Making a video bashing through.
Oh, so I take it for you?
Sure. Friend, neighbor here's gonna take a video. A lot of snow. I gotta get it in 4-wheel, so I'm gonna go forward, backward, forward.
Right.
I think I'll just bash right through it though.
Don't hit me though.
I won't.
Here you go, man.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, man. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yep.
Let him come all the way. Come forward so he can get his feet and get out of there. Come on. All right. Come on. 2 more feet. Up. Yep. Go back. I'll go on the side. Get ready. That's it. Over there. Come on. Okay. Oh, okay. We got to curve him. We got to curve him. Together. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. You say yeah. We're down there. Don't try to go forward.
Holy fuck.
All good.
Over here on the right, it's not plowed. We're gonna go right through it. And we'll go back and look at what we did. See how deep the ruts are. We're gonna go through here. But then we'll look to the left here where I went through. Try to show you guys these ruts, if we can even see. Really deep, probably a foot at least. Gotta have good snow tires and 4-wheel drive if you're gonna be driving around in really deep snow. I use mud tires on my Jeeps. Alright guys, so this is why it's dangerous to drive right now. This is worse than fog. As you can see in front of me, you can't see really anything. It's crazy. I found another car here. Got my Cherokee. These people are stuck. We're gonna try to get them out. Might use my winch. So let's see what happens. Mind if I put this here?
Not really.
Alright, we got 4 people. We should be good. Alright, keep the wheels spinning. Yeah, there you go. Keep going, keep going. Hold that gas, hold that gas. Keep going. Now you gotta go straight and out. So yeah, let's push the other way. Turn your wheels that way. Yeah. Go, go, go. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thanks, guys. I figured if it takes
Yeah.
maybe one more will be just enough.
Yeah. So maybe see you guys in a few blocks. Someone else is stuck. I'm about to do a U-turn and go help them out. Someone else is stuck right back there. Right there. I'm gonna go and, where is he? I'm gonna go and help him. Another guy is stuck. We're gonna go help. This is what you don't want to do. I would have helped this guy, but he's got a tow truck here. He was driving probably too fast, and you hit one of these snow drifts and your car can get pulled into the snow real easy. Would have got him out and saved him a lot of money, but he's already got a tow truck there. Missed him. Got another one. I'm at this light here and I saw this guy stuck, so I'm gonna go help him out. As you can see, you can barely see. We're gonna go help him though. Well, this sucks. I couldn't help them. They're stuck on a median. There's a median that you can't see, and they're bottomed out on the median, and they can't go anywhere. I can't pull them, so sadly I have to leave them. And another stuck person. I'm gonna turn around and try to help them. Oh, they're getting out maybe. Some girl. Gonna go help her. Alright guys, I was gonna help that girl out, but she got out. And then she turned right, and within a half a block, she's stuck again. So now I passed her. She was turning left. You might be able to see her back there. And she turned left, and she got stuck like instantly. So I'm gonna go help her. Yeah? Oh, no, no, no. People are stuck everywhere. Here we got another one. One more stuck. Big snow behind you. You gotta go forward a little bit. In like a side snow drift. We're so close. Alright guys, we're coming up on something I wanted to show you. I was driving around, I haven't seen these people forever, but they're still here. If you remember from earlier, there were those people stuck on the median. Well, they're still stuck on the median, and it's been a couple hours. I haven't been driving by this spot for a while. They said they're in a rental car, and they're bottomed out on a median. He must not have known it was there and tried to turn or something. And he's bottomed out completely on the median. They've been here forever, and I'm just driving by. I showed you guys them earlier. I feel bad they're still stuck. Here we have two cars stuck at the same intersection, that guy over there and this guy right here. I'm gonna try to help him. Got another Jeeper here pulling out this BMW. Strapped it around the wheel there. There he goes. Getting pulled by the Jeep.
Shovel in you though?
I do, yeah. I'm trying to get this side so I can get this wheel, or else I'll break your bumper.
Alright, we didn't have enough weight. He was moving the Jeeps, so we put up 2 Jeeps to get him out and it's working. With only one Jeep, he was just pulling the Jeep, it was too much. So we connected my Jeep to his, and it works.
Yeah, do me a favor, how about you? Let's just...
Gotta connect both the Jeeps again. And he's moving. You look good right there. Alright, he got pulled pretty far. Let's see if he gets out. Geez, that's wind. Alright. There we go.
Awesome. You wanna back yours up real quick on this time?
Yeah.